The MAXVAC MV1000 is a ride-on scrubber dryer. It's designed for high performance cleaning in large spaces such as warehouses and industrial facilities. With a 4.5 hour battery autonomy and a 700mm cleaning width, the unit's 130 litre detergent tank and 160 litre waste tank reduce the need for frequent refills, increasing productivity. Powered by a 500 watt drive motor and a 480 watt vacuum motor, it delivers consistent results, while the up to 90 kilo brush pressure ensures deep cleaning even on heavily soiled surfaces. The 1030mm squeegee blade with suction guarantees quick drying, minimising the risk of slips and maintaining safety. Key features for optimised cleaning include brush contact pressure up to 90 kilo for intense scrubbing power, detergent tank capacity at 130 litres for long operational periods, cleaning capacity is 4,000 cubic metres per hour for rapid coverage, and its versatile performance with optional hardness brushes are available for smooth or textured floor types. Designed with operator comfort and easy manoeuvrability, the MAXVAC MV1000 is ideal for facilities needing a reliable, high-output scrubber that prioritises performance and efficiency.